Child shot dead, woman injured, and attacker charged by the police. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 25-year-old man from Clarendon has been charged with the murder of a 9-year-old child and the injuring of a woman following a shooting incident in the parish. The man has been identified as Joel Williams of Windsor Avenue, Maypen, Clarendon. He has been charged with the murder of Shamar Walker, a 9-year-old student of Church Street, Maypen, Clarendon, and wounding of a female shopkeeper following an incident that occurred on January 26. Reports from the Maypen Criminal Investigation Branch, the CIB, are that at around 7:45 p.m., Shamar was among a group of people inside a yard when Williams entered the yard and joined the group. He later brandished a firearm and opened gunfire at the group. Shamar ran from the yard but was chased and shot. When the shooting subsided, a woman was also seen suffering from what appears to be gunshot wounds. The police were summoned and the injured persons taken to hospital, where Shamar was pronounced dead on arrival. The woman was admitted in stable condition. The Maypen Criminal Investigation Branch launched an investigation into the shooting. They later arrested Joel Williams in relation to the crime. He is scheduled to appear in the Maypen Parish Court on Thursday, March 28. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.